I'm in the South Loop at the innovative, pet-friendly, luxury, high-amenity 1001 South State apartment tower. Looking northwest toward a view of the Willis Tower, panning around view to the west, and to the south through these great floor-to-ceiling windows with roller blinds. I'm unit 2609, a one-bedroom, nice-sized living area here. Breakfast bar peninsula has a wide lip. There are quartz counters. Gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment over a deep sink. Stainless steel appliance package includes a 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave, dishwasher, of course, and you have this brushed look designer gray cabinetry. Great feel to this room. The bedroom has floor-to-ceiling windows facing out to the west, where you're going to be able to enjoy Chicago's dazzling sunsets. It's a pretty special experience from a high-rise. In a closet with good hanging and shelving space from the organizers. Heading toward where you would have entered the unit. Bath has the great cabinetry that you saw in the kitchen. Bank of drawers and wall-mounted medicine chest for storage. And then a wide walk-in shower with a frameless glass door. Closet with organizers off the entry. And behind the louvered door, away from the main living and sleeping areas, you have a full-size stacked washer dryer. This is a bright southwest corner and a building with an attractive location and great amenities. You really want to put 1001 South State on your must-see list. Head to 1001's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.